Hi coders, CS Time channel here, and this video discuss about deletion in the last of singleling list. Suppose we have a singleling list like this that has element from A up to E. The first node is pointed by a pointer named head like this. If you are asked to delete the last node, then we need the help of another pointer. In this case, I use help pointer and I assign the help pointer to point to the same node pointed by the head like this. To be able to delete the last node, then the help will check if the help.next equal to null. We know that the node is the last node when it's point to null like this. And here we also need another pointer. In this case, I use temp that I assign null here. Afterward, I tell the temp to point to the same node pointed by the help. To be able to delete the last node, then help need to traverse from the first node, which is A here, up to the last node, which is E here. As it traverses, it will check if the help.next equal to null, as we know that the node that pointed to the null is the last node. So help will move to the next node like this and then check if the next node is not null, then temp will assign to point to the same node pointed by help like this. And then again, help will move to the next node. Check again. If the next one is not null, then temp will have to point the same node pointed by the help. Again, do the same. If the next one is not null, again, temp will move, point the same node pointed by the help. Once we found it like this, help.next equal to null, then we know this is the node that we will delete. Since this is the node that we want to delete, then now we can tell the temp to point to null like this. Temp.next equal to null. Now it is safe for us to delete the help. Let's see the Java implementation. In the previous video, we learned about how to delete the first node of singleling list. Now let's write the code on how to delete the last node of singleling list. Write public, this is the return value, and then the method name, we have to declare help as a pointer, and the help should point to the head. We also need another pointer. In this case, I use temp that point to null in the beginning. Now, we have to tell the help to traverse from the first node to the last node. To do that, we need a looping. So we will write help.next. As long as help.next not equal to null, it means we haven't found the last node, then we will assign the temp to point the same node pointed by the help. And then we tell the help to keep on moving until it finds the last node, help equal to help.next. That's how we tell the help to keep on moving until the last node. So the help will keep on checking if it's not equal to the null. If it's equal to the null, then it will quit the looping. Once it quit the looping, we understand that the help.next is null, which is the last node, and we want to delete the last node. To do that, we need to assign temp.next to point to null. So we make our temp to point to the null, and we return the temp. This program is good so far. However, we need to consider what happens if the head is actually empty or the singleling list only consists of one node. To handle that case, then we need to do the checking. If head equal to null, or if it consists of one node only, if head.next equal to null like that, then we return the head. Before we test our method, I will just comment this one, and then we will do the println. We want to delete the last here, so we will just call sl.delete last.data like this. Call now delete last our method, and then we display it. Let's see the result. Here is the result A, B, C, D, E, and we want to delete the last, which is E here. The E has been deleted. Let's try one more time. Again, you want to delete the last here, and then let's see. A, B, C, D, E, this is original like that, and then at first we want to delete the last, which is E, and then again we want to delete D, then the last node will be C. So here is the result. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe and like for more videos. Thanks for watching.